Hello, so this is a really short tutorial video how you can disassemble these Anderson/forklift type of connectors. So these are really widely used electric connectors. And the metal piece we want remove from the connector looks like this. So let's take the Anderson plug, and as we can see, let's take a flat screwdriver. As we can see, here is a piece of metal beside this connector here, and we need to push this metal piece downwards, and then this will come off. So let's take the flat screwdriver and push this down. And this part came off. And when we want to put it back in place, we turn the connector and we just push it this way inside the connector. And we should hear a click sound like that. And then it's in place. So let's try this with the wire also, which already has the Anderson plug connected. So once again, we locate this part right here, and we push it downwards, and at the same time we slightly pull this wire. And as we can see, it has already come off a bit, so we push it more. And now it came off. And the metal piece we just pushed downwards looks like this. So this one. And this one holds the connector inside the Anderson plug. And when we want to put it back in place, we just push it inside the Anderson plug, and we should hear a click sound like that. Now it's in its place and it's ready for use. So this was a short tutorial how to disassemble these Anderson/forklift connectors. Bye.